Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I just received some happy mail today. This is my Love From Lizi October 2020 card kit. It's always nice when you receive your packages earlier than expected. So let me jump right in and show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. So there's a red, light blue, a nice bright yellow, pink, and then a soft gray. There are 3 12 by 12 pattern paper sheets this month. The first one has a bunch of 2 by 2 icons and sentiments. And if you don't want to use any of those, you can also use the pattern on the back side. There is a full sheet of tags. These are all 2.5 by 4 inches in size. Lots of fun sentiments and images, and there's a couple that just have a design. And when you look at the back side, they're plain, so they're all ready for you to address, attach to your gift to give somebody. And then the final 12 by 12 sheet has 4 by 6 inch recipe cards. So you could use these in your recipe book, or you could create a little recipe album. And if you flip them over, it does have the side to write all the directions for that recipe. I think this is really fun and unique and very different from some of the other Love From Lizi kits. She likes to make them a little bit different every month. There's also a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and these are a nice thick paperweight. There are lots of different icons. There's some sentiments, a bunch of different tabs, and you could add some of these tabs to a recipe box, and then there's some that just have a plain design. And then there are 6 by 8 inch pattern papers this month, and these are all double-sided. Some of the sheets have a full design on the one side, and you can always flip that over and use the opposite side. So lots of beautiful florals, and even some of these full images, you could cut them down to add to a card or to a scrapbook. I love the colors in this collection, and it has a very country feel. There are several tone-on-tone patterns, which are always my favorite. This one looks like a lovely tile for the kitchen wall. I think this paper would be fun to cut apart for borders, or you could fussy cut some of those images out. Lots of fun sentiments, but of course you can always use the opposite side. And then the final 3 sheets are more 4 by 6 inch recipe cards. So there's lots of variety of the different recipe cards. You could add them to your recipe book, you could make that mini album, or you could try and make a fun card using those 4 by 6 recipe cards. And then next up is the stamp set, and this one is so fun. They are all sentiments, but it's fun that a few of them have that silhouette image mixed in. And then next are the peel-offs, and this is a brand new color in the pinstripe style. They are strawberry glitter, and they're slightly see-through. It's a really pretty color. There are 4 pieces of chipboard. It's a real thick chipboard. They're 4 by 6 inches in size. And then there's also 10 pieces of white cardstock that are also 4 by 6 inches in size. The white cardstock is alcohol marker friendly, and the purpose of it is to design a little mini album with all of those recipe cards. So they all match up together. You can use that chipboard as the cover and the back. You could decorate it and then add those recipe cards on the inside. And then there is the sample bag of the sequins, really pretty mix, bright and cheerful. There are 4 dies included this month, and I love this cute little teapot, and it has 3 little hearts in there. And then there's also 3 heart dies. It's always nice to have an assortment of different sizes of hearts. Just don't lose that teeny tiny one. It is very small. Next up, there are 2 wooden tags, and they have a different design. These are always fun to add an image or decorate. There are also 5 mini clothespins. These really fit the whole look of that country feel with all the paper. And then there are 5 skinny ribbons. There's a meter of each color. So there's red, yellow, a charcoal, teal, and also a cream color. And then the final item included in the kit is the ephemera pack. And there are so many pieces in this. So I'm going to flip through these really quickly since there are so many. These all match perfectly with the pattern paper. There are lots of different florals. There's some sentiments. I love that little chicken and the pig. There are utensils, pots and pans, ingredients for baking. I love the pink beater. Some more sentiment, some cute little mushrooms. So many fun pieces. You could create your own little baking scene on a card. So I'm really excited to get started with this kit since I love using ephemera. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's October 2020 card kit. Now I did get just a couple of add-ons. There are the 2 peel-off bundles. The first bundle is the pinstripe. There is a fuchsia in the mirror, silver moon dust, denim blue has that mirror finish, and then pink. And the second peel-off bundle that's available is the variety bundle. There is apricot with gold foil in the sway design. There's teal in pinstripe, gold in straight, and then the mini circles in the black glitter. You can never have too many peel-offs in my opinion, and the bundles are a really good price. Now here's just another look at Love From Lizi's Happiness is Homemade October 2020 card kit. This is a monthly card kit and quantities are always limited. Lizi's kits do tend to sell out very quickly, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. I have provided links in the description box for the kit and also the add-ons, and there are several other add-ons that are available that I just didn't receive. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.